Okay, what's up guys, Jackson here coming at you with another video. It's 3 a.m. I'm going fishing, so we'll just jump right to it. See you then. Peace. Okay guys, so now we're at the fishing spot, and obviously I'm in the truck right now, but let's see, we got fishing stuff in the back and everything. We've been fishing since 5 o'clock. Getting tired a little bit, you know, obviously, like it's wearing me down. I got 2 hours of sleep. I don't know, but I guess this is gonna be just a quick video, very quick. Like all I have to do is barely edit and whatever. But I wanna say sometimes, you know how like there's like good fishing days, bad fishing days. Today for me is a bad fishing day. Like I have not gotten that much fish, and I haven't caught that much. I've caught none actually. I've missed 4. I missed 4 on good hook sets. I missed 4 good hook sets. I had actually technically missed 5 if you count the one of the last ones, but 4 because the first one I missed was like a bite, hit and miss, whatever. I went to set the hook and I missed. And the second one, I was throwing a little swim frog, and like a swim frog, right? And then bass, all of a sudden, of course, because we're bass fishing, all of a sudden just slams the thing, and I pulled it up to the shore or whatever, by the shore, well not shore, like by the ground, and then it came off. So there was that, and then yeah, it's pretty much the day. I'm honestly like my body, like I'm not tired at all really. It's my freaking body, my back, my legs are killing me, like my legs and everything are just killing me. I don't know. But today's obviously one of those bad days. I'll catch them all another time. Trust me, I will. I'm making better videos. Soon I'll be uploading more soon. Guys, make sure you go subscribe to Fishing for the Thrill. Fishing, Fishing, the number 4, and then the thrill. And that's it. Fishing for the Thrill. Go subscribe to him. Get him a bunch of subscribers, because he said that if he gets more subscribers, he's going to start making more videos, editing more and stuff like that. So just go get him more subscribers. That's all I gotta say. I don't know why I'm like tired. What's Brandon doing? Oh. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like friends. Wait. Oh, hold on. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and share with friends if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys next time. I'm out. Peace.